Music is not just a form of entertainment, but also an industry full of potential. In today's video, I will introduce how you can create music with the help of artificial intelligence. This method is highly flexible and suitable for everyone worldwide. Moreover, I will share tips to help you maximize the potential of AI-generated music, opening up sustainable income opportunities. So, be sure to watch this video until the end because I guarantee you won't want to miss a single detail. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's explore a great example of how a simple idea can lead to significant success. The famous YouTube channel Lo-Fi Girl is proof of this. The channel specializes in sharing gentle and relaxing lo-fi music, a genre that is highly popular for studying, working, or simply relaxing. Lo-Fi Girl's videos have garnered millions of views. This highlights the huge opportunity for us to start something similar. You don't need to be a professional musician to achieve the same. With just a few AI tools and a bit of creativity, you can create unique music videos and embark on a journey to monetize them. The first tool I'd like to introduce is Noisee AI. This is a free tool that helps you create music videos quickly and effortlessly. To get started, sign up for an account using your email. Click Create Video and choose one of two methods. Paste the URL of an existing music video, or upload a music track from your computer. Don't worry if you don't have a track yet, because next, I'll guide you on how to create your own music. Next, use the Suno AI tool to create music. Suno AI is one of the most popular AI music creation tools available today. With it, you can craft unique tracks in just minutes without needing any in-depth knowledge of music. Once you log into Suno AI, you'll see a description box. Enter what you have in mind. For example, create a relaxing and gentle lo-fi track with a slow rhythm. Combine smooth piano melodies, subtle guitar sounds, and soft electronic beats. Then select the instruments you want to include and hit Create. In just a few minutes, you'll have a complete lo-fi track. Listen to it. And if you're satisfied, download the track to your device as an audio file. Now, let's get back to Noisee AI. Upload the music track you just created. Enter a description for the video as you like. Choose the appropriate aspect ratio for the platform you plan to upload to, such as 16:9 for YouTube. Finally, click the Create button and let Noisee AI work its magic. And here it is. Behold the first music video we've created with the power of AI. Take a moment to review your masterpiece. Feel every beat, every frame. But don't stop there. If any scene doesn't feel quite right, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Ensure every detail is perfect before downloading the video to your device. Now, onto the most exciting part of this video, how to make money from your creation. Create a YouTube channel if you don't already have one. Post your music videos regularly and make sure your content complies with YouTube's policies. Once your channel reaches the required views and meets the conditions, you can enable monetization to earn revenue from ads. Beyond YouTube, you can upload your music to platforms like SoundCloud or Bandcamp. Some platforms even allow you to earn money from selling your tracks or receiving listener contributions. You can also upload your music to platforms that pay for downloads, such as Up Forever. Now, return to the Suno AI tool and create a few tracks. Download them to your device, then head over to the website up-4ever.net, one of the best platforms currently paying for downloads. How does it work? Simply upload your files, and the website will generate a unique download link for each file. Every time someone clicks your link, you earn money. Amazing, right? If you want to check proof of payments, don't worry. Go to the Payment Proof section, where you'll find numerous pages showcasing payments people have received. Everything is transparent and verifiable. Now, let's dive into the Earnings section, where things get interesting. Here's a profit chart showing how much you'll earn based on the country your downloads originate from. For instance, if someone from Group 1 countries like the USA or Canada downloads your file, you'll earn $7 per 1,000 downloads. But don't worry if downloads come from Group 2 or Group 3 countries. You'll still earn $4 per 1,000 downloads. Even downloads from Group 4 countries will bring you $3. All earnings add up. One fantastic aspect of this site is the variety of payment methods. No matter where you live, you can withdraw your earnings using options like PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. And guess what? You don't need a paid subscription to earn money. The free plan works perfectly fine. Ready to get started? Here's what you need to do. Click Sign Up Now and create an account by entering a username, password, and email. After confirming your email and logging in, go to your dashboard. You'll find that Up Forever offers 120 gigabytes of free storage. That's plenty of space to upload multiple files and start earning. Before uploading, I recommend setting up your payment information. If you're from Algeria, Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, or Turkey, there are specific withdrawal options for you. For all other countries, simply choose Global and select your preferred payment method. Next, it's time to upload your files. Click Upload Files, read the notices carefully, and then click Start Upload. Now, upload all the music tracks you created using Suno AI. You'll receive a unique download link for each file. For this method, we'll focus on sharing the download links. Every time someone clicks your link, Up Forever will display some ads, and you'll receive a portion of the revenue. All you need to do now is share these links with your audience. When they click to download your music, you'll earn money. The more downloads, the more you'll get paid. You can include these download links in the descriptions of your videos on social platforms, along with a call to action like download free music here. And there you have it. We've completed the journey from creating amazing music with the help of artificial intelligence to sharing it on various platforms and earning money from your creativity. Thank you for watching today's video.